Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is electric current, the rate of flow of charge. By the end of this video, you'll know the formula linking charge and time, why amps are coulombs per second, and the direction convention. Electric current is the rate of flow of charge. The formula I equals Q divided by T, where Q is charge in coulombs and T is time in seconds. Unit the ampere, 1 coulomb per second. So a current of 2 amps means 2 coulombs of charge flow past every second. 3 things. 1. Current is measured in series with the component using an ammeter. 2. In a series circuit, current is the same at every point. 3. Convention says current flows positive to negative. Electrons, the actual charge carriers, flow the opposite way. Common slip. Saying current is electricity. Current is specifically the flow of charge. Voltage, resistance, and power are different quantities. Don't lump them all together. Quick example. A bulb draws 0.5 amps for 10 minutes. Total time is 600 seconds. The charge passed equals I times T equals 0.5 times 600 equals 300 coulombs. That's a lot of electrons. In fact, about 2 times 10 to the 21 of them. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, for every subject, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.